Now let us understand the types of services which are available. Okay, so here we have different types of services. This is business services, social services and personal services. See, now because we are doing business studies, okay, so we are more concerned on business services. See, business services is subdivided into banking, insurance, communication, transportation and warehousing. We would be doing each of these separately in this particular topic. For timing, remember these are the divisions or subdivisions of business services. Then we have social and personal services. So let's understand what is the difference between business services, social services and personal services. See, to begin with, business services I explained you already. These are the services which are used by business enterprises for conduct of their activity. For example, banking. Banking is done on a daily basis by all the business people for sending the checks or maybe for sending the funds, for getting the funds in their bank account, right? We will understand more about all these as we move ahead in the topic. Then comes the social services. See, social services are provided voluntarily. There is no force on people to provide these services, but they voluntarily act and provide these services for the benefit or social welfare of the society. For example, health care. So when a particular society or a particular agenda here of social services to improve the healthcare in the country, then they would be providing the social services. This would be free services for which no money is charged, and remember the aim or the goal in social services is to ensure that the society gets the benefit and the welfare of the society happens. Now the next is personal services. Now these are the services which are experienced in a different manner by different consumers. Okay, so each of the consumer will have a very different experience. For example, when you go and avail services of, let's say, a beautician or maybe a gym trainer, so what happens, every person, your friend is also going with you and then his friend is also going along with you. So all three of you would experience a different kind of services even though you are taking the services from the same gym trainer. Okay, so remember, personal services are experienced differently by different customers. Now this would totally depend on the preferences of the customer, what he wants, what he requires in terms of those services and demands. Okay, examples, as I told you, tourism, recreational services and restaurants. Now we did an example of recreational services. Let us now understand tourism. For example, three of your friends want to go to the same destination, that is Bali in Indonesia, but then one of your friend is going with family, one of your other friend is going with his girlfriend, and the last one is going with a group of friends. So here there are three people who are going to the same destination. So they are availing the tourism services which are available from the tourist agent. Okay, but then the needs are different, and because of this they will have different experience. Okay, so this is the three types of services which are there and which exist. Now we will start with business service. So in the next topic we would do the types of business services in detail.